Look at stock ticker symbol OPMZ right now at 0019, hitting that low that we're watching here. Today so far, that low is going to be 18. And I was looking over here as well, right there around that area. Get that 18. Where's that low? So right there at that 18, guys, that it's going to be that key point for this one, 0018. Right here is going to be watching for that 0018 to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of consecutive falling. Not only with consecutive falling with the price, but consecutive raising up in the volume. A lot of selling going on here. Obviously at 0062, 006, bringing you guys down to 0018 in just a span of almost a week. Pretty big beatdown. With that being said, we're going to watch for a possible bounce off this 1.8. In my personal opinion, I think it's going to be possible. 0018 is going to be that must-hold area. You guys get a close below 0018, this thing could fall apart. So keep that in mind as well, guys. Watch for a break of 0048. It's going to be the key one. We're watching a 20 and 30-day simple moving average tighten up pretty tight right there. Followed with the 10-day simple moving average at 0043. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like I said, with the sell down. But again, at 0018, we've seen it come down here. Right here as well. And then look at what happened. 0018 and just ran all the way up to 0112. Back down through the moving averages, got pretty close to it, came back up, couldn't hold that 20-day, rode it there for a little bit, a few spinning tops. So again, we're going to be watching for this thing to turn around here. You guys are getting outside that lower Bollinger Band as well. I'm going to watch for a snapback into this lower Bollinger Band. I'm just, looking at this as the way, obviously looking at stock charts all the time. I think that right now, personally, that it's just starting to get to that oversold territory. You're going to have that potential at that 0018, my opinion at least.
All right, so they're in the 8K today, and let's see, I'll just go through it. It states that on August 4th, 2015, the company executed a lease on an approximately 7,000 square foot food processing facility in Los Angeles County. The lease ran through August 4th, 2020, with lease payments of approximately $6,000 up to approximately $8,000 per month during the terms of the lease. On April 28, 2017, the company agreed to a mutual release with the landlord. The company agreed to pay $57,474 and surrender its $18,600 security deposit. This was done as part of the company's discontinuing of its previous operations. All right, so then also on April 28, 2017, the company increased its number of authorized shares to 5 billion in anticipation of the closing of the transaction described below and for the creation of the necessary reserve. So on May 1st, 2017, the company closed on a $1,380,000 financing transaction with Typenex Co-Investment LLC. The company would receive a total of $1,250,000 under the agreement, with the remaining $130,000 resulting from the OID on the agreement. The funds are split between 9 tranches, with the initial tranche being $250,000 and each subsequent tranche being $125,000. The company would use the proceeds to grow its pipeline of clients. As part of the agreement, 6 months from each funding date, unless the additional tranches are secured by collateral, Typenex will be able to convert the financing amount into shares at an equal rate to 40% multiplied by the lowest intraday trade price in the 15-day trading days, immediately preceding the conversion. Additionally, the company agreed to set up a reserve of 3.2 billion shares on behalf of Typenex. Reserves are established by Typenex, and the company may need to increase the reserve at the request of the lender. Once the notes have been satisfied, the company can remove any remaining shares from the reserve that had been established and reduce its authorized share count accordingly. So it says the company has entered into a joint venture agreement with a cannabis-focused agricultural company. The company will provide the financing for the construction of a new 8,000 square foot cultivation facility. In exchange, the company will receive a percent of its profits from its operations. The goal would be to grow the facility to 22,000 square feet in the next 12 to 24 months. So that's the latest 8K from these guys right here. So if you want to continue doing your due diligence on 1PM Industries Incorporated, just go over to that OPMZ board on Investor Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that 1PM Industries board.
All right, OPMZ 0018 right now. I said 0019, resistance at 2, 5, 4, 3, and 4, 8. Support at 1, 8, must hold. Watch for a bounce off this level. Again, you guys are at that bottom right now. Very pivotal point. Look at that. 0018 bounced right off that 2-0. I think that bounce is coming, guys. Really watch this one. OPMZ, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like button. We'd appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe. If you'd like to join us, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.